Guys, this is 2024. There's absolutely no reason why you should not be trading Forex. Even if you don't have capital, there are ways in which you can get free capital to trade Forex. So January, that's last month, I passed a challenge. It means that I was going through a trading competition. I think I posted it in my group, in which we had to be able to rank among the first 150. I didn't really look forward to that bet. I was just trying to my best to get a free 10K challenge. So every month, if you're using these prop firms, they have these challenges which they give every month. Let's say you go through a trading competition, and if you're able to rank among the first 150, that's for the funded trader. Other brokers, let's say other prop firms like FundedTrader, if you're able to rank among the first 100, you'll be given a free challenge. So I got a free 10K challenge, and I didn't even rank among the first 150. I just ranked, I think I was just able to hold up to the $125,000 because they give you a $100,000 account, give you the same rules in which you trade in a normal prop firm environment. Okay, that's the 5% drawdown rule. You're not supposed to open up more than 3 lots on gold. For GPUSD and the other pairs, more than 5 lots. Pretty much simple rules, but very, very tough rules because you have to follow your rules. So they give you that same environment. Let's say if you had a normal $100,000 challenge for you to go through, and if you're able to rank among the first 150, you get a free 25K challenge. That's if you're among the first 150, right? But for those that are among the first 3, they will get some money. Like if you're the first, you get $5,000. If you're the second, you get $3,000. I think if you're the third, you get $2,000. Yeah, that's it. Then from number 4 all the way to number 15, I think you get a free $100,000 challenge, which you can go through your evaluation and pass before you can get a free funded account. So these are ways that you can use to get capital. Like I told you guys previously, we are trading prop firms not because we want to become prop firm traders, because we know that prop firms are demo accounts. They are simulated challenges. But we are trading prop firms so that we can be able to raise capital to put into our real accounts. Because when you're trading money from your real account, you have confidence in it. But prop firms, you don't have confidence, because when I see people on YouTube talking about, okay, they're having 10,000, they're having 1 million funded, they have 1 million funded, $1 million funded, $6 million funded, that's rubbish because it's all demo stuff. Okay, but at least if I'm able to trade a $10,000 account on a prop firm, then I'm able to make a $2,000 cash out or payout. I can use that $2,000 and I fund my real account. Okay, when I fund my real account with $2,000, I can be able to trade that account comfortably with using my own rules, trade it all the way to 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, whatever I want to do with it. At least it's much better. But if you're having opportunities like this, where you can be able to go through these challenges and be good at it, because if you're already good in the challenge, it means that you can be good in your real account, because these challenges they have very, very tough rules, if you know what I'm talking about. So guys, I passed the $10,000 challenge. I was able to close my trades above 25% because they gave me a $100,000 account. I traded at the account from zero all the way to from $100,000 all the way to $125,000. That I closed above $125,000 because I should have traded the account all the way to 30%, 40%, but I had my real accounts. I was trading many accounts too, so I could not really focus myself much on that. I just wanted to make sure that I get the challenge to see if they'll actually give a free challenge, and they did, because I made a video on my Instagram talking about how I passed the challenge. I qualified for the free account, but they didn't give my account. But actually, they after 7 days, they reached back to me and they gave me the account, meaning that if you're able to pass those challenges, they'll give you the money and they also give you the account. So it's something that you can be doing while you're trying to raise money for your trading. So it has helped me a lot, because I'll be very honest with you. When you're trading in an environment where you're seeing people making $10,000 on a $100,000 account per day with the same strict rules, it speaks volume. At least you're able to know that, okay, now if I'm a trader, I'm supposed to step up my game. I'm supposed to increase my game, because I can't longer be settling for less. Because guys, people are out in those in that competition environment that are making $30,000 in a single trade. They're making $10,000 in a single trade. they're making $20,000 in a single trade, or let's say in 2 trades. So when you're in that kind of environment where you're simple doing well, at least it gives some kind of like spirit to do it, because that's how I was able to because before I could not make $7,000 in a single trade, in a day. But because I'm in that demo environment and I'm seeing people doing well, even though it's a demo account and it's a challenge account, it's a competition, but at least it's helping me to trade well because I'm learning from those people. When they're doing $10,000, it gives me the spirit to be able to do $7,000 or $5,000. I think days were going in which I was able to make $7,000 in that particular competition, and it helped me a lot because that's where I learned to start trading pairs like US30, Nasdaq, gold, because I was really just focused on my GPUSD, making my 40 piece per day, 30 piece per day, because it doesn't really move much. But when I started seeing people making a lot of money from these challenges, I started upping my game. Like I started increasing myself. I started like focusing myself on pairs like US30, Nasdaq, and the rest, where I'm able to make all the way to 100 pips, 200 pips in a certain day. Yeah, so guys, it's always good to learn. Even though you're good in trading, it's always good to learn because learning never ends as a Forex trader. So guys, I was able to make $25,000 using the same set of rules as a normal funded trader having a $100,000 account without breaking the rules at all. That means that there's a lot that I can do. So I'll take this $10,000 account, I'll trade the account, I'll pass the phase 1 and phase 2. They say that if you're having a dragon challenge, I think 7 days you can request a payout. It means that I can be able to request a payout after 7 days, which is good for me. So I'll just try to see if I can focus myself, trade this account, pass phase 1, pass phase 2, and from there I'll get to see how the funded trader works, because it's my first time using the funded trader. I've used 10 trades. They do pay out after the 1 month, because 10 trades, if you are having 1 month, after 30 days, you have a payout. You can always request a payout. Other brokers like profits like FTMO, they do payouts. So there are just a few of them that are actually legit, because I tried using another platform called the FOREX Funder. Somehow it was a scam to me because they have some hidden rules that can actually destroy you. But I've used 10 trades, they pay out. I'm trying to see how the funded trader works. If they pay out, I'll also do a video showing my payouts on the funded trader. But for this particular video, I want to let you guys know that it's possible for you to get a funded account. But don't forget, the purpose of getting a funded account, a funded simulated account, is just that when you get the money, when you get the payout, you put the money into your real account and you can trade, because at least that's your real capital. It's not for you to say, okay, I'm having $50,000 funded, I'm having $1 million funded. Meanwhile, it's all demo. So that's it for this particular video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. It was Makia Forex. Drop a like in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.